Vector-RAG retrieves similar chunks, but the knowledge inside your notes is relational. You need a graph, and a local one. Kwipu runs a 4-stage pipeline, deterministic where it can be. Structural relations first, then LLM, extracted triples. Everything converges into a property graph index, queried by 4 retrievers in parallel. Clone, install, pull the models with Ollama, run geode_graph. The system validates the connection and the models before starting. The first build extracts over 3,000 structural relations before any LLM call. Then the semantic triples land. The graph is persisted to storage_graph and updates incrementally from there on. Every query fires 4 retrievers: vector similarity, BM25, LLM synonym expansion, and a temporal filter. Answers always cite their source notes. No orphan hallucinations. If you live in Obsidian, Kwipu is native. Your wikilinks become first-class edges. YAML front matter becomes metadata. The vault is watched live. Every note you save updates the index. No full rebuild. It earns its keep where citations matter. Research labs with thousands of papers, internal engineering knowledge bases, compliance and legal teams, personal Zettelkastens, 10 years of atomic notes finally talking to each other. Here is the real lever. MCP. Register Kwipu in Claude Code, Claude Desktop, or Cursor with a single command. From there, any agent can query your vault. Your corpus becomes shared memory across every tool on your machine. Find it at github.com/benmaster82/Kwipu. Open source, MIT, contributions, welcome.